Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about the break statement in Python. The break statement in Python is used to stop a loop immediately. Normally loops continue running until the condition becomes false, but sometimes we may want to stop the loop early. That's why break is used. The moment Python finds a break statement, it immediately exits the loop. Break can be used in for loop, while loop, and menu driven programs. Let's see a simple example which is given in the slide 1. You can see over there the output for the given code is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's what happens. Python starts printing numbers from 1 when I becomes 5. The break statement executes and the loop stops immediately. So numbers after 4 are not printed. This shows that break helps stop loops whenever needed. Think of it like pressing a stop button while watching a video. So remember, one statement break is equals to exit the loop instantly. And slide 2 says the real life examples of break statement. Now let's understand break statement with real life examples. An example for the break statement is given in the slide 2. Here's the loop keeps after for password again and again. Once the correct password is entered, Python prints access granted and break stops the loop. Another example, searching for a number in a list. Numbers equals to 1, 20, 10, 20, 30 and 40. For any numbers, if n equals to 30, print numbers found and then break statement. Now output will become number found. So like this we have another example too. You can see in the slide 2. So the quick recap for the break statement is break stops loop immediately, works inside for and while loops. So today you have learned about what is break, how it works and practical examples. Practice using break in loops to understand it better. Keep practicing and happy coding.